If your hair is breaking, shedding, thinning hair, or refuse to grow, do not skip this video. I mix 9 powerful herbs plus seed into natural butters. And what happened to my hair shocked me. My age came back, my bald spots start filling in, and today I'm here to show you the exact formula that I save my hair from this butter. So please, you need to watch to the end and see how I'm going to prepare it, so that you also can make it at home to help yourself, to help your hair come back to alive and stop breaking. So now let's start and check. This is flaxseed. I'm holding 1 tablespoon of flaxseed. The benefits of flaxseed. Flaxseed is growing, boosting hair. It's also defending curls and reducing shedding. Flaxseed is also deep moisturizing and adding shiny, natural shine to your hair. Flaxseed is also having vitamin E, vitamin B1, B6, and omega-3 fatty acid. And also, the best way also is not if you have weak hairs and or breaking hair, dry scalp, and you are using flaxseed, is going to help you a lot. Now I have 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seed. Fenugreek, let's check and see the benefit. Fenugreek also is stopping hair falling fast and thickening hair and fighting for dandruff. It's also having iron, potassium, vitamin C, and B complex. Fenugreek also is best because it's bald spots and thinning edges if you have thinning edges. So those things is very powerful also. So now I have my dry rosemary. I'm putting 1 tablespoon of dry rosemary. Rosemary also is regrowing dormant follicles. It's also improving black flows to the scalp. It's improving premature growth to your hair. And also rosemary is having vitamin A, vitamin C, and B6. It's also helping to, if you have hair loss, slow growing, rosemary is going to help you. Now I'm holding cloves. Cloves also is powerful scalp cleanser. It's fighting scalp infection and boosting circulation. Also, clove is having vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K. It's also, if you have itching scalp or dandruff or your hair is thinning, cloves also is very beneficial. So now I have 1 tablespoon of lavender. This one is lavender. Lavender also is stimulating itchiness and irritation scalp, also helping the hair to grow very fast and reducing stress from your hair loss. Also, it's having antioxidants, and these are the things that we need to be inside the butter, because all these ingredients is going to combine together and come to a one thing for you to use for your hair. Imagine this powerful, so far the powerful things I mentioned so far, all this benefit, and you are going to be using it in your hair. If you are using it in the right way and you are still having problem with your hair loss, then the problem is coming from you. You have to see your doctor. So now I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of black seed. So now black seed also is stopping extra shedding hair and also repairing weak follicles. It's also thickening hair. It's having omega-3, omega-6, and vitamin A, vitamin B, and vitamin C. Imagine this, all this thing is inside one thing. It's also saving hair from thinning. If your hair is thinning, you are using black seed, it's going to help you to save your hair from those thinning hair. So now let's come to mustard seed. Mustard seed also is heating scalp to stimulate hair growth. It's working up sleeping follicles. Mustard seed also is having vitamin K, vitamin A, and iron. And also, what amazing also is bald spots to slow growing if your hair is growing slow. These things that you need to put inside. It's not finished there, because I was still going to add another ingredient, which is going to be my bestie, that is hibiscus. Hibiscus is also making hair longer and thicker. It's preventing spill ends, and also hibiscus is also having vitamin A, vitamin C, which is very good for the hair growing. When you are growing your hair, please try to be combine all these herbs together to make it into a powerful, whether infusing oil or hair butter is going to help you. My next one is fennel seed. Fennel seed also is stimulating roof and adding shining fennel seed also having vitamin C, is also having potassium and also weak strands, so which is very very powerful and very very good. So now the next thing, the next step that I'm going to take after all everything, I put it into my blend. I'm going to blend it into the powder form, but not all these herbs that I'm going to use to make the oil, because the butter I'll just need like 250 ml. So when I need 250 ml, I'm not going to use all the herbs. The herbs I'm going to keep the remaining one. I'm still having some small remaining herbs I blended the last time, so I'm going to add it inside. Maybe that one also future or later I may use it to infuse oil, or I'll come back and use it to make another herb butter also after this one finish, right? So now this is amount that I get. So I put all those herbs because I need all the benefit of those herbs and the seed. I need all the things. I need the benefit. That's why I put everything inside, and I'm going to take maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons that I'm going to use of the rest. I'm going to keep it. So now the next thing I'm putting here is my mango butter. Okay, I'm going to put mango butter inside. Mango butter also is very very powerful. Mango butter is deep moisturizing hair and repairing dry damaging hair, so especially those who have like us low prostate hairs, those mango butter are very very good. But this butter that I'm not making it for low prostate or high prostate. All the hair type can use it, so you have to stay tuned and see how I'm going to prepare it for all hair type, not for only low prostate or medium prostate hair type or high prostate, all the hair type. So now our next butter that I'm adding is my avocado butter. Okay, I'm adding avocado butter inside. So avocado butter also is also strengthening strands and adding softness, adding elasticity to your hair while you are using avocado butter. It's also deep moisturizing your hair naturally. So now after all these things, I'm going to add this amount of shea butter. This one is shea butter. It's come from my village. My village, this is the way that me myself I know how to do shea butter very well. So this is the way that I used to do. We are selling it, so it's come from my village. So now after the shea butter, the next one is my coconut oil. Okay, I'm adding coconut oil inside. Please stay tuned and watch to the end. And also, if you watch it up to this point, tell me your favorite part of these ingredients. Which one are you using for your hair? And if you are not yet started, just write let's grow together. Okay, it's very important. So now the next thing, I put it into my place it here. I'm going to make it double boil method, okay, which is very very powerful, because this double boil method is going to take us like 40 minutes. Okay, so shea butter also is stealing moisture to your hair and also preventing breaking and spill ends. So hair butter is also very good, while coconut oil also penetrating hair shaft and preventing potassium loss from your hair. So now these are the things that I said. Okay, you see amount that I put inside. So I'm not going to put everything inside, but these herbs, I only know what I know is I will definitely going to come back and use the same herbs, whether I'm going to use it to make infusing oil, or I'll keep it after this butter finish. I'll make new one, use the same one and make new one again. So now you remember I said have something small was left the last time, so I'm going to add it into that place and keep it for my next use. So the next time I'm not going to blend. This amount can be okay for me to infuse oil or to use it for the hair butter. So now let's continue. This thing, when you put it on fire, please, you can make it a low heat, because sometimes if you make it a high heat, maybe let's say you are in hurry, you are just trying to put it into the high heat, and you can see how vapor is coming out is too much. It can happen water also be following it coming. When the water come and go inside, that thing also can spoil your oil very quick. So this is the way that I did it, and you have to stay with it. Try to be staying it. After I do the 40 minutes, I allow it get cool small, but I cannot allow it get solid, because if I going to allow it get cuckoo, all those things is butter. I cannot strain it. So now I'm straining my oil. I'm going to I use sieve to strain it, but that one was not enough because I have to use fritter to fritter it very well, because I don't want any particles to be part of this butter. Because when you see when I strain it, you can see the down. So now this is the oil. I'm going to keep it. I'll be back soon. Okay, my people, now we are back right now. So now this is the place that we need to do work. Please let me know if you watch it up to this point. Give me thumbs up and share this video to those also who love natural things and love hair care things. Okay, also when you are subscribed, you have to know what I'm doing. I'm doing hair tips, giving tips or how we can do to grow our hair natural without using any chemicals. So now our next ingredient I'm going to add, this is my infusing oil, the same infusing oil, guys, the ones that I told you people that it's remaining small. That was this oil. I used the same ingredients to infuse this oil. The oil that I'm putting inside, the same ingredients I used to infuse that oil. So I put 2 tablespoons. So this one also, this is another infusing oil. That one is pineapple leaf and avocado seed plus avocado peel. I used to infuse that one, the one that I just put right now. So I infused that 2 different type of infusing oil. I add 2 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons total. Add inside and start to be mixing again. Please let me know if you watch it up to this point. Kind of do me a favor, if you know that you haven't subscribed to my channel, this is your first time crossing this channel, why not please help me by subscribing, liking and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. I really appreciate you all. So now we are still continue going to do our job. So now, why the importance of it, why you are doing it, always try to be bringing the sideways, put it into the middle and continue. So now I'm putting 1 teaspoon of honey. This is very powerful, right? 1 teaspoon of honey I add into this hair butter. Okay, hair butter, I added 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey is also having natural humectants. It plus moisture into your hair. It will add more moisture to your hair and make your hair get more soft and shinier. So, and make it very easy if you have stubborn hair and you use this butter, your hair is going to get more soft and very easy for you to manage your hair. You will not suffer with a stubborn hair or hair hard hair, strong hair again. Your hair is going to be very soft for you to manage it very easy. So it's not ending there, because I will still add another things, ingredients inside. So please, you need to watch everything step by step, how I started everything and how it's going to end. Okay, this is very, very important for me and for you guys, because my duty is to tell you guys how you can do also to get a benefit from this butter, not the way that you have to do without getting any benefit. So now our next thing, this glycerin, I just get it from supermarket. I buy it, they say it's African pure glycerin. I don't know whether it is sure or it is true or not. So now I'm adding glycerin inside. Glycerin also keeping your hair hydrated 24 to 28 hours without destroying your moisture. Why vitamin E oil also heals scalp and promoting thicker hair. Also, if you have breaking hair, you are using vitamin E, is very good. So after vitamin E oil, our next ingredient that I'm adding or essential oil is lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil also repairing calm, is replacing calms to your scalp and also adding it more healthy, and the edges, the small your baby hair that is coming out, it will help it to get more strong, to protect it without any harm. And after that, I'm adding jasmine essential oil that I just add right now. It's also stimulating roof, so which is very good, because everything whatever that we are doing, we always want our roof to be very, very clean and nice. Okay, yeah, that's very important. So now I have my avocado essential oil. That one also I'm going to add inside. Avocado essential oil also adding moisture and growing hair faster. If you want hair growing faster, all these things, put it into one place, combine everything into a packet, one packet, so that you get the benefit from it. Don't make it, just put it in a one packet and do it at in the right way. You see what is going to happen. So now I have my mango butter, mango essential oil. That one also is very powerful. Mango essential oil is also softening and adding shining to your hair. As you guys, you remember, I added my pineapple leaf and the avocado peel. Our pineapple leaf, when you use it to make oil, is also strengthening roof hair growing. Okay, so pineapple leaf is very powerful. If you don't know that you can use pineapple leaf to make oil, please check this channel. You'll see that video how I use the pineapple plus avocado seed to infuse the oil, so that you can learn it and make your own infusing oil in an easy way. Why avocado seed and avocado peel also, it's also regrowing edges and adding thicker to your hair, which is very good, right? So now guys, you can see how consistency, smooth, light, how it is. This thing is not going to weigh your hair. When you are going to use your hair, you are going to love your hair, is going to thank you, because this is not heavy cream. It's not heavy cream, and it's good for all the hair type, whether you have a low porosity, high porosity, medium porosity, all the hair type you can use this butter. It doesn't matter which type of hair that you have, because this one, I and my daughter, we are going to be using the same thing. Please, how to apply this butter to your hair. Always hydrate your hair first. Don't use this type of butter into your hair while your scalp is dry. You need to moisturize, hydrate your hair first before you use this butter, and seal the moisture into your hair. And also, don't use too much before you use. If it is the first time, please do any purchase test it from your neck before you use or before you apply to your daughter. That's very important.